Praise the Lord. God bless you. My name is Pastor Chizi Jesus. I am happy to share this testimony for you. Listen to a lady that just joined our church under a few weeks. And I gave her a prophecy in the altar. They tied their family in the village and they locked them up with padlock. And she had to bring the names of the family and start a spiritual prayers I gave to her while she was doing the prayer. Doing the assignment, she finished it on Sunday. While she was doing that, God went to her village and exposed those things, life and the rest. This testimony, I'm just telling you, this is season 1 of this testimony. She will come live and I will run her interview. I will post it both on social media so see her. Everything is not arranged. This is raw and this is real. And if you want to find out, you come to my church and see her. I'm telling you, it's going to go viral because a lot of you feel that miracles are fake. Church is doing well. God is good. Watch the video and share.
Nwa bebi abụọ, otu nwoke otu nwanyị, otu nwoke ndị nwoke abụọ, ndị nwanyị abụọ abịa were key tinye na agbata ha gbachichie si ọ dị ọganihu a ga-akpọ Chineke si onye mere ka nwefu iwu ma ga-akpọ ụmụ di m jee kpọọ nwa dị mkpe inwere fonu ukwu si ya bịawa bịa video were mie bịa mee ya na ndị ọha hụ dị ya ụwa hụ dị ya elu hụ dị ya ala hụ dị ya wee mere dowe n'ezinụlọ Kutem si ezinụlọ Kutem ụmụ ya nọ n'ụma ga-ahụ ụzọ bịa ndị awụrụ ebe mkpọmkpọ ebe masị Chineke onye mere hwe mmenie ya ga-arịa dịkwa ka mere n'ụbọchị taa ngo ọfụ alihu elegi bịara nga dabiati bịara nga bidi nọ nga na broda bịara nga akụnna nọ nga ndị akwụrụ hwe tochi abịadụkwala ọhụkwala ya esi abịadụkwala ahụkwala ya si Chineke n'enu.
I'm taking this testimony serious because if you come on social media, somebody will talk that pastors are faking miracles and all. I don't know the village. I've never been to that village before. But I was here giving them that's the place that comes for deliverance. They carry a pastor for deliverance in their family, but nothing was done. The day here they pray and the mama the thing God went in the ceiling and exposed the child. They saw life and the rest. Share this video. It's going viral. Listen, I'm taking it serious. I'm going to run an interview. If you want to know, you want to find out, you still come to Joy City International Ministry. My name is Jesus with evidence. She will show you, she will talk to you what they have gone through in their family and what they have been going through. And how they say, I've never been to a village before. Everyone look like somebody doing it and all that. Jesus, I will run an interview. You will still watch about this video. God is faithful. I return all the glory to Jesus.
Chineke agbala ọla ọchịchịrị ọkụ ọ sị ihe mere ka ọ pụta ihe ahụ ihe niile zoro ezo ihe mere na nzuzo ọ pụtala ọ gaghị adịkwa ire ọzọ ndị ahụ niile ma